BigH Trucking, 81 South in Virginia. We've got freezing rain. My mirrors are frozen. It's coming down lightly, but yet enough to freeze over. I shouldn't be in this mess too much longer, but it's a little sketchy. No Jake's on right now, just cruising down the road. I'm looking for water coming off passing by trucks. We got a little spray coming off. I don't have too much though. Once again, BigH, on my way down to Georgia, where it shouldn't be freezing rain. I've got this mess for probably another 100 miles. Once I get inside of Roanoke, and she starts, it's just pure rain. The temperature's good. The temperature right now here is 31 degrees. Looking at the spray coming off trucks, like I said, and the back of my mirror. The back of my mirror starts freezing up. It's frozen, actually. So, which leads me to believe we've got some ice on the roads here. So I'm not sure if they pre-treated this section. No. All I know is I'm doing about 50. And everybody past me, leaving plenty of room up front. I got brand new wipers on my machine. In the wintertime, I change my blades out once a month. Especially with all the snow and salt, they get beaten up pretty quickly. It's a great investment to have. I've got the winter blades on. So while I was at Pittston last night, stopped in, got some more windshield wiper fluid. Two sets of blades, one winter and one summer. Stack of those, they don't last. And how you know they're gone is when your windows start streaking. That's when it's time to throw them out. It's the way I run my truck. So I'm reading in the news today that Russia invaded Ukraine. I didn't even know about that until I looked at I look at the financial markets. Two things I do when I first wake up: look at the weather, see where I'm going, see what's happening on the radar. I look at the financial markets. Crude oil exploded overnight. Stock market's down. Crypto is down. Gold and silver are climbing. Actually, all commodity prices have come down substantially. I myself, I think they invaded. And sure enough, it's exactly what they did. So, resulting in commodity prices going to the roof. So hopefully this is something that's going to be short-lived. You see that bridge is frozen over, boy. God damn. Yeah, so like I said, commodity prices exploded. I knew they invaded, and now it's just a matter of how long is it going to be? Is America going to be involved? Of course they will be. Hopefully it's not a prolonged mess. T's and P's, thoughts and prayers for those who are serving. My buddy's son actually started boot camp yesterday. I wish him well. I wish everybody who serves in the military all the best. Thank you for your courage and sacrifice. So, I haven't seen a reflection on the fuel prices yet. But you know, that's going to go through the roof. I wouldn't be surprised if it went up 25 cents overnight tonight. I haven't looked at the prime app yet. I don't know if they changed it yet. I'm sure at some point today they'll make note of it. As a consumer, it's going to just send prices of everything that much higher. Gonna, you know, obviously eat into our pockets. I'm grateful to have a job, a well-paying job. You know, I don't know if you guys think about it, but all of us who drive trucks are kind of like heroes. You know, look at what we've got to do to get product one place or another, from one place to another. Right? We kind of sacrifice. We kind of make a sacrifice. I mean, especially in the wintertime, it's even more dangerous. Not only do we got to contend with other truckers, we also contend with cars and the elements. So, you know, from all you truck drivers, thank you for your courage and your sacrifice, being away from the loved ones. We truly are. You know, there's no guarantees, but we're certainly at a higher risk than most. I don't think enough of us get the recognition that we do deserve. You know, we kind of treat it like, I don't know, second-class citizens. I get it. You know, the reputation of truckers are not the best. We kind of do it to ourselves, you know. If you don't know what I mean, go to a truck stop, drive around the parking lot, and you'll see what I mean. So I wish as a whole we would do a better job at cleaning ourselves up and stop being dirty and disgusting, and have the energy to walk to a garbage pail and throw your garbage out instead of throwing it out your window. You know, a little exercise is good for the body. my thoughts. That's my rant. Wherever you are, just be careful today. Especially those who are up in the Northeast and Central. Take your time. Drive within your ability. And remember, Prime says you're the captain of your ship. Be that captain, be that leader. With that being said, I'm out. Until the next drive. Thanks for stopping by BigH Trucking. Please subscribe and like. Help me grow this channel.